What's there on a riverbank? Perhaps a few teardrops left by someone, a few faint quartered conversations, some abandoned faces of loneliness, circles of grief, furrows in sand. What else is there on a riverbank? Some arid melancholy blended and soaked in the rippling sounds of flowing river. What more are there on riverbank? On a riverbank there are multicolored pebbles, broken snail shells, footprints carrying tinkles of anklets, lamps of moonlight assembled on noon clouds. Is that all? No. On a riverbank, there's a nameless sweetheart, a body without own place to live, a celestial embrace and a surreal handshake. Besides these, there's also a frisky river, which, unmindful of all these, flows gleefully.